Welcome back to AI Tips for All, the podcast that helps you stay ahead in the AI-driven world. Today we're diving into the latest edition of AI Elevate by Dr. Paul Toot, an incredible newsletter that just dropped.
It's always a treat to dig into Dr. Toot's insights, and this one, titled AI in Action, Health, Robotics, and Everyday Tools, truly delivered. There's so much to unpack, from groundbreaking medical advancements to how AI is shaping our daily lives.
Absolutely. Let's jump right into the big takeaway, because the first item is a huge one for healthcare. Dr. Toot highlighted Clarity's Clarity Breast Tool. This is the first FDA-cleared AI tool for predicting 5-year breast cancer risk from standard mammograms.
That's massive. The newsletter points out that it was developed using over 77,000 image scans and backed by Northwestern University and Boston-based research. The idea that it can deliver insights invisible to human eyes is truly setting a new benchmark in personalized healthcare. Dr. Toot mentions this is redefining preventative medicine with AI-powered early detection.
Exactly. And for listeners, what this means is more accurate and proactive health assessments are now within reach. Imagine the peace of mind or the crucial early intervention that this could enable.
And speaking of Northwestern, they're also revolutionizing radiology. They've developed a first-of-its-kind generative AI system that can interpret scans in milliseconds, flagging life-threatening conditions like lung collapse and aneurysms in real time. This is a turbo boost for radiology, a cornerstone of diagnosis.
It's incredible. It also drastically boosts radiologist productivity and is a promising response to the global radiologist shortage. So, for us, that means faster imaging results, reduced diagnostic delays, and better resource allocation in hospitals and clinics. It really feels like AI in healthcare is moving at light speed.
It really is. Beyond healthcare, the newsletter touches on the core of AI development itself with Nvidia's new Blackwell chips. ML Commons reported that these next-gen chips dramatically improve AI model training, completing massive workloads like Meta's Llama 3.1 in record time.
And the numbers are staggering. Blackwell GPUs achieve 2 to 2.6x better performance per chip compared to the Hopper generation, reducing the number of GPUs needed from over 10,000 to around 2,504. For developers and enterprises, this means faster iterations, lower costs, and more scalable access to powerful AI tools. It's essentially removing major bottlenecks in AI development, making innovation faster and more affordable.
Right, and this leads directly into the enterprise AI upgrades section. Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are all making significant moves. Google is boosting AI search and NLP for more accurate, context-aware responses, which means smarter, more intuitive search results for us.
Microsoft's Azure AI is getting easier to deploy with new partnerships and expanded model templates. This lowers barriers for enterprise AI adoption, so more organizations can now implement AI without needing massive technical teams, leading to smarter solutions in healthcare or business operations for their teams.
And OpenAI is enhancing business tools too. ChatGPT now integrates better into business workflows with updates to document processing, API use, and plugin tools. This helps automate tasks, streamline research, and simplify team collaboration. It's making AI not just a helper, but a collaborator in your daily work, promising a smoother, more productive workday with fewer routine tasks.
It's amazing how these big tech companies are democratizing access to powerful AI tools. But AI isn't just for serious business. The newsletter also touched on creative sparks and media moves. Bing Video Creator, Mirage Studio, AMC plus Runway and HeyGen are all pushing boundaries in AI-generated video and expressive avatars. Turning text prompts into social-ready videos with no filming or editing is pretty mind-blowing for content creators.
Absolutely. And the quick hits section covered developments in sound and speech. Suno and Udio are in licensing talks with major music labels, and Suno is adding creative controls like extended song uploads and custom sliders. Then there's WhisperFlow elevating dictation with 100+ language support, and Phonely hitting 99.2% accuracy in AI call support. The uncanny valley barrier is really being broken there.
It's getting harder to tell the difference, and what I really appreciated were the "did you know?" They really drive home how AI is already integrated into our everyday lives, not just some futuristic concept. Like robots such as Figure and Agility already working in warehouses, avoiding obstacles and lifting loads, or Walmart's AI-powered drone delivery expanding to 5 more.
That's the kind of fact you can drop in a team huddle, and the free resources are a great bonus. An AI prompting guide for professionals and an AI for beginners course. Dr. Toot is really making AI accessible for everyone to build confidence and fluency.
He truly is. He even includes a prompt playground section in the newsletter to explore how to use AI more effectively, like asking it to act as a business analyst for comparative analysis. It's all about practical application.
Exactly. And the quiz corner with the question about Clarity Breast really brings it full circle back to those crucial health innovations.
So, as Dr. Toot concludes in his final thoughts, the pace of AI is accelerating. From Clarity's FDA-cleared innovation to Nvidia's leap in training power, intelligent tools are changing everything from diagnostics to development cycles.
He says that AI is now a tool for everyone: patients, creators, shoppers, and professionals. From saving lives to simplifying logistics and creating art, the future is unfolding fast. His call to action is simple: be part of it by testing one tool today.
A fantastic message to end on. It's inspiring to see how AI is truly becoming a pervasive and beneficial force across so many sectors.
Agreed. A huge thank you to Dr. Paul Toot and the AI Elevate newsletter for keeping us so well informed. And listeners, if you found this episode valuable, please like and share it with someone who would benefit from this incredible information. Don't forget to subscribe to the AI Elevate newsletter yourself. We'll put the link in the show notes.
For an even deeper dive and to connect directly, be sure to like and follow Dr. Paul Toot on LinkedIn. He's available for speaking engagements, consulting, and workshops, and you can pick up his free AI prompting guide for professionals and AI for beginners course right there on his profile.
These resources, along with the newsletter, will absolutely give you an edge on the competition.
And a big thank you to all our listeners for tuning in to AI Unpacked. We hope you feel a little more ahead in the AI-driven world.
We'll catch you next time.